On this episode of Sea Glass Hunters, I'm back to my hometown beach of Oceanside, California, finding exquisite sea glass, hanging out with my crabby friends, digging up awesome artifacts, and of course, making my super sweet treasure boxes, which I'm going to let you know how you can get a hold of one of these later in the show. Yes, dear, you can come with me anytime. Thank you.
Also, it's little.
Good shot, man. Maybe bark with sure. So here I am at home making prototypes for my treasure boxes made with sea glass and shells that I find on the show. As you can see here, I'm adding some Elmer's glue, putting some felt on the top and bottom of the box. I want each one of these treasure boxes to be completely unique, so they're all getting various paint color schemes, beads, and jewelry put on each one of them. With a hot glue gun, I apply various shells and treasures that I find on the beach. Here I'm applying Mod Podge gloss. It's a clear acrylic sealer. I spray this on the shells before I even begin to glue them onto the boxes, but after I have them positioned and the box is almost finished, I like to go back over and give a final spray just to keep a consistent wet look over the whole treasure box. I'll soon be offering these wonderful one-of-a-kind treasure boxes through my YouTube channel and also through my Facebook. So you can message me through YouTube, Sea Glass Hunters, and please follow me on Facebook, Facebook/Erik Fiorentinos. I'll put those links in the description. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I appreciate it. And I'll see you out on the beach.